was saying, this is leaking somewhere over here. This up and see what's going on. It's leaking yet, so. So I'm tying back in with a bronze adapter and a piece of copper. This is just what I had with me to get this back up and running. But according to my guy D-Dunk, his preferred method for this would be brass coupling and a schedule 80 nipple into that, and then back to schedule 40 after. There was also plenty of play in this pipe right here, so I was able to make this last connection, no problem. That's what I got right now. Just got the bathtub on. No leak.